Hey guys, it's me again. I'm going to be installing the GTX 260 into my custom PC here. I have a Cooler Master HAF 932 case. It's a full tower case. It's got plenty of space, lots of cooling. HAF stands for high airflow. It's got three 230 millimeter fans, one on the front, one on the side, one on the top. In the back it comes standard with a 140 millimeter. I replaced it and put a blue LED 120 millimeter. I have a EVGA 750i for the Win motherboard, a Core 2 Quad 9550, 4 gigs of OCZ Gold RAM, DVD burner, 250 gigabyte hard drive, and fan controller, some cold cathodes. So, and a 650 watt power supply. So let's get to installation here. I'll lay my system down here. Remove the stop screws. Remove the side panel door. If I can get it out here. Get the door off. Okay, so here's the inside of my system. I'm gonna do a installation in that top PCI Express slot right there. Really simple. I already have the PCI bracket slots out. This is a toolless case, so no screws necessary. So what I'm gonna do here is just take the GTX 260 and line it up. These are usually pretty easy to install. Pretty much anyone can do it. That's it. Just close up my connectors here. If I can get them to snap in. Can't get them in though. It's odd. That's the final product. Had a little trouble there closing my PCI bracket there. I don't know what was going on, but got it in. I'll post up another video on some benchmarks probably. And the first boot up. Thanks. Bye. My first boot up using this old 1280 by 1024 monitor here. Don't really have a desk right now, but here, let's boot this up for the first time. I have Windows Vista Ultimate. I think it's actually 32-bit. I'm going to be upgrading to Windows 7 64-bit whenever that comes out. Now to install the drivers here. You can tell the fonts are pretty big. I don't know if you can see it. Not really. Oh. Okay, so when I install the drivers, then I'll get back to you on what it looks like.